stars for hours, 'cause you're a renegade. I could be the one who saved you from this hard place. We could be as one and we'll escape. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the pain, we can go insane. I can feel it, it burns inside me. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the pain, we can go insane. Trust me, I won't let you down.
All right, we just left the campsite this morning up there in the Aspens. Oh, it was pretty. We're heading up 12. I think we're over 9,000 feet. I think about 9,300 or something. And then look at this. Look at this view. Look at that view. What do you think about this, Jenny?
This view is amazing.
Look at all the colors too. It's just
Out there, you see the mountains,
yeah. But you see how you got the reds and the
green hills and the wildflowers, and then it's plateau. You can kind of actually see the stair, like the staircase.
oh yeah.
See it there, and then it goes down, plateau.
Toes, then down, and then down there.
Down again, and then down again.
That's cool.
The Grand Escalante Staircase National Monument. Here it is.
Yeah, you're right. That's probably overlooking the whole thing, just about.
Well, why don't we read the informational cards here?
The heart of Escalante.
There you go.
Alright, we entered into Capitol Reef, and this place, there we go, and this place is cool. What do you think, babe?
It's amazing. We kind of entered by accident. We didn't really know we were coming here.
Yeah, we're doing something good for Lucas, her oldest son. We're taking him up to the Dinosaur Monument Park or whatever, where it basically straddles Colorado and Utah. Supposedly got a pretty impressive amount of fossils there, so we're gonna take him up there since he's been such a good boy. But on the way there, we weren't really planning on going through Capitol Reef, but this is the way the GPS took us. I mean, these rock formations and stuff is just, this is amazing. It's ridiculous.
So hard to see from the moment we arrive. Cornelia, you are one who will survive.
Alright, it's a pretty awesome view. Making our way to the Dinosaur National Monument. And what was the town?
We're headed to Jensen.
Jensen.
Utah.
God, I'm so bad with names. But wow, it's gorgeous. And we still got to head up there. If you can see those towers Got to get up there to the top. But awesome. It's good to be back in Colorado, especially driving the roads and exploring new parts. We've been trying to figure out where to go after we do the dinosaurs, and I think we got some exciting stuff to go see. The only thing we're really missing on this trip is seeing some animals, right, babe? Seeing some wildlife.
Yeah.
So I know there's a really good place in Colorado to see awesome wildlife. All right, we found us a place to camp. Hopefully you can hear me with the wind, but this place is wild. Got this location from Chris at Venture Four-Wheel Drive, and he was saying this was a boondockers heaven or something like that, and he's right. This place is crazy. I've never seen so many travel trailers in one spot. This is wild. We're I don't know, probably over 8,000 feet, and they got these huge clearings, huge fire pits. You see behind me, I mean, there's campers here, there. You can see way out there in the front. This is just the main road. We're probably not even a half a mile in here, and this is us tucked in, and there's the main road. So we got tucked in a corner, but you can see how big this spot is. I mean, you could put a 35-40 foot fifth wheel in here, no problem. We're gonna get unloaded here. Have you ever seen a place like this, babe?
It's wild. It's cool though.
A lot of aspen trees.
We got a remnants of something over here. TP.
Oh yeah.
Shelter, something over
Got a little TP shelter. Got this thing tied up here. This is wild.
Wow, they do it.
Yeah, this place is crazy. What's the town down there?
Mama,
That's not Jensen.
Starts with a V. Don't remember. Starts
Yeah,
with a V.
starts with a V. It's just west of
Vernal.
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 Vernal. Okay. So you go to Vernal, and then you go up 191 up in the mountains, and boy, it's steep.
We're at 89?
We're at 9,000?
Almost 88.
Oh wow.
I think.
I mean, the road up is no joke. I mean, it's steep. The Toyota was struggling. It usually struggles anyways, but it was really struggling. 83, 82. So almost 8,400 feet. Like I said, this is wild, and there's so many roads. I mean, you could probably spend half a day trying to find the perfect campsite if you wanted to go to that extreme. But pretty cool place. I've gotten a ton of these waypoints and tracks from Chris with Venture Four-Wheel Drive. Become a Patreon to his. I mean, just he's got so many tracks and waypoints. Hey, babe. And I've gotten some from Lifestyle Overland too, but not near as many as with Chris. So yeah, with the two kids, and you know, we're trying to have fun and get out and explore and see things. Personally, with the wife, we take vacation time. You don't want to be hunting for a place to stay. Now, obviously, if you're full-time or if you had plenty of time, I mean, shoot, if I was going to explore an area, I'd probably spend a whole day checking out an area and get me just a sweet spot so I could stay the maximum 14 days and go from there. But unfortunately we're not able to do that. But yeah, this place is wild. Literally, like Chris said, it's like a boondocker's paradise or heaven or however you put it on there. It's nuts. All right, let's get this thing set up. What's cooking? Good looking.
Got steak tacos tonight. Steak tacos.
Those look good. Cool. Hear that steak sizzling. Fajitas. Those fajitas smell good, Mama.
Yeah.
Yummy. Look at those. So make them yourself, huh?
Make them yourself, serve them yourself.
And those are corn tortillas,
Yep.
of course. Only the best. Sorry if any of you like flour tortillas, they're good too. Oh, the boys are having a blast. The weather's great. Probably in the 70s, nice little breeze. A few little flies, but we're about to eat up. Steak tacos.
Mama!